Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about an app called CryptoSense that I've been using and really like. I'll show you how it works and provide proof that it's a legitimate and trustworthy platform. CryptoSense provides 4 main games: FlipSense, Sliding Sense, Calculus Fest, and Lucky Sense, where users can earn sense points by completing tasks. These sense points can then be redeemed for real cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Litecoin, and EOS, etc. To withdraw the earned cryptocurrency, users need to accumulate at least 1,000 sense points and have a Coinbase, C-Wallet, Faucet Pay, or Bitcoin wallet to withdraw from the app. Reviews indicate that CryptoSense is a legitimate app that does pay out the earned cryptocurrency. Though the payouts may be relatively low compared to the time invested, the app generates revenue through advertisements, which is a potential downside for some users. And here's my live withdrawal proof. Thank you guys for watching the video, and don't forget to sign up using my referral link. If you have any other sites or apps for me to test, please comment them down below.